Welcome back to another exciting anti-gravity tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to deploy and host your anti-gravity website for free using GitHub and Netlify. This is the same professional workflow used by developers worldwide. Once everything is connected, your website gets automatically updated every time you make changes to your anti-gravity project. No more uploading files again and again. Just update your code and your live website updates instantly. Simple, fast and completely free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's go to our Google Antigravity and let me type a simple command to start the server so that I can show you guys the website I have built already. Okay, if you wanna learn how to create this kind of website, then make sure to watch my previous tutorial I have created on this topic. I will put the link into the description. Okay, so the server has been started. Let's access our website and let me show you how it looks. Okay. Great. So this is our website. I have made it into last video. Okay, this is an animated award-winning website which can be sold for $50,000 easily, and it's into great demand for the big brand websites like smoothie business or any other chocolate kind of businesses. Okay, so you can create this kind of website and sell it to high ticket clients. Okay, so I will put the link into the description. So this is the website we had made in the last video. Okay, so let me show you how to deploy this. So in order to deploy this website, let me type a simple command that I want to deploy this website using Netlify and GitHub. Okay, please create the Git setup for me and everything else like creating a GitHub repository and installing the tools. Okay, so let me simply hit enter and it will start running the command. Okay, it will install all the tools we need to connect and create the repository into GitHub and connect this website to a live server using Netlify. Okay, so it will basically install the Git tool for us. It will install GitHub CLI for us. Okay, after that it will simply open that CLI in order to authorize the connection between these tools. Okay, so let's proceed and I will show you everything step by step how it works. You don't need to write anything so much technical. You don't need deal with CLI commands and anything so much fancy and technical. It's a simple process. Okay, so let's wait for it until it's doing all the necessary installations. Okay, make sure to accept everything you see in between so the process goes seamlessly. So it's installing the Git for us. If you don't know about the Git tool, so let me tell you that Git is a tool or app which tracks any code changes made to your file. Okay, and after that it helps to bridge using GitHub CLI to deploy the website on GitHub repository. So Git tool is installing right now, so let's wait for it. Okay, so the Git and GitHub CLI tools has been installed on our computer successfully. So let's ask it to proceed ahead to deploy our website. So it's a simple command I have given to Google Antigravity. Let's accept everything it asks in between to make the necessary changes. So basically it will now check everything, that it will check for the GitHub CLI compatibility and everything else. Okay. When everything will seem correct, it will give us the pop-up to initiate the login into our GitHub account. Okay, directly from this CLI interface. Okay, so let's wait for it. Great, so we have got the success message. It's showing us a PowerShell command to put into the terminal and initiate everything. Okay, it will basically ask us to log in and authenticate into our GitHub account so that this machine can have the access to create the Git repository for us. Okay, so let me open the terminal and let's hit enter so that we can log in into our GitHub account. Okay, so it's asking for the protocol. Let's go for HTTPS. Let's authenticate using credentials. Put Y. Okay, for yes, and after that, okay, it will ask us to log in with a browser. So let's hit enter and basically it will give us the URL to log in and verify our machine. So let's copy this URL and open into a browser where we can authenticate our device. So let me open this into my browser and let me log in into my GitHub account and let's click on device activation to continue. Okay. Great, so this is asking for the OTP. So let's go back to our machine and let's copy the OTP and paste it here. Okay, So this is the one time OTP we need to copy and paste. Let me copy it and let me paste it here and click on continue to authorize our device. Okay, so we are giving the authorization to GitHub CLI to read the repository, to write the repository and create the repository. Basically this is it, and after that it will ask the verification code sent to our email. No problem, let me open my email and let me copy and paste the verification code over here. Here is the code, let me copy and paste, and after that click on verify button, and congratulations, we are all set. Our device is now successfully connected to our GitHub account. Okay, so let me type a simple command that please proceed ahead, everything has been completed from my end, and it will basically start creating the repository named smoothie website, because I have already mentioned into the command above. Let's wait for it while it's creating the repository for it, and after that we will verify if the repository has been created successfully into our GitHub account or not, and the website files are uploaded or not. Okay, so let's wait for it. So it is creating the GitHub repository for us. It is creating the .gitignore file. Let me accept everything so that it can proceed ahead seamlessly. Amazing guys, so we have got the success message that the GitHub repository had been created and pushed the code to GitHub. Okay, so let's check this out, and I have opened the URL Antigravity gave to me, and I can see all the website files over here. Great. So it means the GitHub and the Antigravity has been connected successfully. Let's open the Netlify now. It's a free service to host a website using GitHub repository. Okay, so let me log in into my Netlify account and click on add new project over here, and we can use import an existing project option. After that, let's click on GitHub so that we can authorize our GitHub account into Netlify. Okay, after authorization, all of the repositories will be shown here. Let's click on smoothie website repository and let's click on the project name over here. It will be something relevant related to our project because it will be reflected into our website URL. Okay, so after that click on deploy smoothie website and let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, project deployment is in progress. Great, it's been live. Let's click on the link and verify it. And amazing guys, our website is loading instantly and smoothly overall, and it's looking amazing on a live server. You can copy this URL, you can share it with any client, or you can share it with any coworker you have. Okay, so this is completely live, all free, using Google Antigravity and Netlify. Okay, so this is how the professional workflows work, because you don't need to upload the files again and again. Every changes you make into your Antigravity project file can be easily committed back to GitHub repository, and Netlify will pick up your website files from there automatically without doing anything. Okay, so it will go to your live server, your live website, without touching anything else. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So I hope you liked this video so far, and if you liked it, then make sure to like this video, comment on it, and share it with your friends and family so that they can start their no code website development journey using AI. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.